Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your products from AliExpress to Shopify. So let's get right into it. For this, we're going to be using an app which is called Zopi AliExpress Dropshipping, which is, as far as I'm aware, a free app which you can use on Shopify. To find it, just go into apps and type in Zopi, and since it's an official app, it'll find it right over here. Click on it, and that'll open up the ad page I was at previously. Click install. Then you're just gonna need to authorize the request for installing, and as you can see, it's taking you to Zopi immediately. The store is connecting, and once it connects, you'll be able to use Zopi once you install it over here in the Shopify page. And once that's installed, it will be available through the Shopify apps section over here. Once you enter the app like so, you can use it to find the product and go into the product center to go ahead and import your products. As you can see, it's immediately going to tell you to import now if you want, or you can import later. Just click import now, follow the instructions, and it is going to be imported to your Shopify store. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.